Hello boys and girls, this is One Original TV. Today I'm going to show you guys the Weevils Deluxe bin nest playset. This is a very good toy, very funny, loads of fun to be had with this. As you can see, this playset also includes a character. It's a figure of Tink. It's got a secret tunnel and a bin board portal. This is the front, and this is the back. Very cool features. Here we go. We're going to pick up Tink now. Going to put him on here, and this is how you operate this. You press the button down, and we wait till it comes, and here we go. It has landed on here. Beautiful. Let's put Tink back up here. Very nice. Hello Tink. Inside you have a secret card. Here we go. There's loads of characters that you guys can collect in the future. I'm going to make a video in the future showing you guys loads more characters that you can put in this. This is loads of other things that you can do. You have storage coves, trampoline game, which I showed you, the secret tunnel. Here we go. Beautiful. The more characters you guys collect, the more fun you will have with this. Like I said, it's a beautiful toy, loads of nice features. Here we go. Tink. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share, like and subscribe. In the future, watch out, I will make a video especially with characters for this playset, the Weevils. One Original TV out.